Hey everyone, welcome back. We're about to take a deep dive into something that's got me, honestly, kind of freaking out in a good way. You ready for this?
Hit me.
ChatGPT search.
Okay, yeah, I'm with you. Definitely some big potential there.
ChatGPT on its own, I mean, we all saw what happened when that hit the scene, right?
hmm
But now pair that with search, like
Yeah,
actual search engine capabilities. I think this is going to change a lot.
I think you're right. And the thing that's got me so excited is it's not just a simple addition, It's not like they just slapped a search bar on ChatGPT and called it a day.
Right, right. So how's it different? What's going on under the hood that makes this like next level?
Well, for starters, it's the way ChatGPT can now interact with information. It's like,
Yeah.
imagine you had this super smart research assistant, but instead of handing them a stack of books, you could just talk to them, ask them questions, and they'd pull out exactly what you need.
Wait, hold on. I got to stop you there.
Yeah.
That's the part that's blowing my mind. It's not just about finding stuff online. It's about understanding it.
Exactly. Like traditional search engines, you type in keywords and you get a list of links, right? But with ChatGPT search, you can ask a question in plain English, like you're talking to a person, and it can give you a synthesized answer.
Okay, so let's say I'm a student, right? And I'm trying to write a paper on, I don't know, the ethics of artificial intelligence. What's the difference between just Googling that and using ChatGPT search?
Well, with Google, you might get, what, thousands of articles, websites, blog posts, all with varying levels of credibility and depth. You'd have to sift through all that, try to piece together the key arguments. It's a lot of work, right?
Yeah, tell me about it. Hours in the library or, on my computer.
Exactly. But with ChatGPT search, you could say, hey, what are the main ethical concerns surrounding AI? And boom, it pulls from all those sources, analyzes the information, and gives you a concise summary of the major arguments, the key thinkers, all that.
Whoa, that's pretty impressive. But it's got to be good for more than just schoolwork, right?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine you're, say, a business owner trying to get a handle on your competitors. You could ask ChatGPT search to analyze market trends, summarize customer reviews. It could even give you insights into their marketing strategies, all based on publicly available data.
Okay, so we've got students, we've got business owners. Who else benefits from this? Like, this feels like something that could change how everyone interacts with information.
You're right about that. Think about anyone trying to learn something new, whether it's a hobby or a complex scientific concept. With ChatGPT search, you're not just passively reading articles, you're engaging in a dialogue with this AI that can tailor its responses to your specific questions and level of understanding.
It's like having a tutor, but for anything you could possibly want to learn.
Right. And it can even help you make connections you might not have seen before. Like, let's say you're interested in, I don't know, the history of coffee.
Sure, why not?
ChatGPT search could not only tell you about the origins of coffee cultivation, but also connect it to global trade routes, social customs, even the development of certain technologies. You'd get this rich, interconnected understanding of the topic that goes way beyond a simple Google search.
Yeah, those are the moments that really make learning exciting, right? When you suddenly see how everything fits together.
Exactly. It's about making information accessible and engaging in a way that traditional search just can't match.
I'm sold. But okay, before everyone runs off and starts using ChatGPT search for everything, we got to talk about the cautions, right?
Right.
It's a tool, but it's not magic.
Absolutely. And like any tool, you have to use it responsibly. One of the big things is to remember that ChatGPT, even with search, is still an AI. It's learning, it's getting better all the time, but it can make mistakes.
So we can't just blindly trust everything it tells us.
Right. Double check information, especially if you're using it for something important. And also think critically about the sources it's drawing on.
Good advice for anything you read online, really. Okay, so final thoughts. We've got this incredible new tool, ChatGPT Search, that has the potential to totally change how we learn, work, and just understand the world around us.
Yeah, and I think the big question is, how are we going to use it?
Exactly. So for all of you listening, go check it out, play around with it, see how it changes the way you think and learn, and let us know what you find. This is a deep dive we're all taking together, and I, for one, am excited to see where it leads. That's it for this deep dive. See you next time.